dash is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry. So gibberellin is used for malting process in brewing industry, and the most common type of gibberellin is GA3. Identify the following statement is true or false for genetic diversity and select the correct option. Genetic diversity is a diversity shown by a single species at the genetic level. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. It is correct. Okay. It is the total genetic information contained in all individual of a community. No, it is a genome. That is the definition of genome. All the genetic information in the individual of a community, then it is statement for genome and not for genetic diversity. So it is incorrect. Rauwolfia vomitoria. So variation in the term of concentration of active substance or active chemical reserpine. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. India has more than 50,000 genetically different strain of mango. No. We have 50,000 genetically different strain of rice and not for mango. Mango have thousand strain. So true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, and B is the correct answer according to the question. In flowering plant, meiosis take place at the time of pollen germination. Because pollen are haploid, and if you want to prepare haploid cell, then we have to think about meiosis. Okay. C2 cycle is situated in C4 plant. No, C4 plant does not show C2 cycle. C2 cycle means nothing but photorespiration, okay, or glycolate metabolism. This plant show photorespiration. Yes, it is absolutely correct. In C4 plant, and those plant that show photorespiration, no. In C4 plant does not show photorespiration. So C2 cycle is absent in C4 plant. Which of the following statement is correctly paired? Zinc is the activator of nitrogenase. No, zinc is the activator of alcohol dehydrogenase and carboxypeptidase. So it is incorrect. Molybdenum, activator of alcohol dehydrogenase. No, molybdenum is activator of nitrogenase. So it is also incorrect. We have to find the correct space, correct match. Magnesium, activator of phosphoenol pyruvate. Yes, it is activator of capcase. It is the activator of capcase. So it is correct. Copper is the activator of rubisco. No, rubisco is activated by magnesium and not by copper. So this is the correct answer. The backflow of fecal matter in the large intestine is prevented by the presence of ileocecal wall. Anything with wall, they prevent backflow. Okay, and the method of correcting this question is also like this, that we have walls are only makes for preventing the backflow. So if a question asks about a backflow, then we have to go with valves, and ileocecal valve is the answer. Which of the following is correct with respect to the sperm of fertile male? C. At least 40% of sperm must have a normal shape and size. No. And CRT has written that for a viable sperm, for the good sperm, and for fertile male, for sperm of fertile male, 60% of them should have normal shape and size, and out of 60% must show vigorous motility. So first statement is incorrect, because 40% of sperm does not have normal shape and size. We want 60% of sperm which have normal shape and size. So first is incorrect. And at least 60% of sperm must show motility. No, 40% must show motility. So it is incorrect. At least 60% of the sperm must have normal shape and size. Yes, it is absolutely correct. And out of this 60%, 40% must show vigorous motility for a fertile male, for the sperm of fertile male. So C is correct answer. Which of the following statement are correct for aerobic muscle or aerobic muscle? Aerobic nothing but something related with oxygen. So such muscle contain red color oxygen storing pigment called as myoglobin. Yes, and the myoglobin has more affinity for oxygen than the hemoglobin. Yes, it is correct statement. Next is such muscle contain a large number of mitochondria. Yes, because they have large number of oxygen, and hence to utilize this large number of oxygen, they has to more number of mitochondria, and that is the correct answer. And this is correct statement. Sorry. They are also called as red fiber because of the presence of myoglobin, which is brother of hemoglobin. So it is also correct. So we have all of these which are correct, and all of these which are correct. Next. The following is illustration of sequence of ovarian event A to L in a human female. See, the first sequences are the development of follicle. So A to D is developing follicle. It is not mature. It is not corpus luteum. It is developing follicle. And from E to F, it is a mature follicle. And from G to IL, it is corpus luteum. In the electron transport system present in the inner mitochondrial membrane, complex 1 and 4 are respectively. See, complex 1 is NADP reductase or NADP dehydrogenase, NADP dehydrogenase. Complex 1 is NADP dehydrogenase, so this is incorrect. Okay, and complex 4 is cytochrome C oxidase, which has 2 copper center, that is also known as cytochrome A3 complex, so it is also incorrect. It is incorrect, and this is our required answer. Which of the following is considered as living fossil? See, locus means gregarious space. Locus is nothing but gregarious space, so it is not our answer. Dentellum is tusk shell. Okay, dentellum is tusk shell. We belong to mollusca, so it is not our answer. Limulus, yes, limulus is living fossil. Anything which does not have gone change for long period, that is known as living fossil. Limulus is an example of living fossil. Acidia, okay, Acidia, these are member of mollusca, and this is our required answer. Which of the following is a common characteristic between earthworm, leech, and centipede? See, these all are non-corded, and all non-corded have ventral nerve cord, and we are corded and we have dorsal nerve cord, and these have ventral nerve cord, these have dorsal heart or ventral heart, these have dorsal heart, and these have double, okay, and these have solid nerve cord. So this is the correct answer. Emergency contraceptive are effective if used within 72 hours of coitus. 72 hours of coitus means 3 days, okay, of coitus. Okay, this is the correct answer. A chronic disorder in which alveolar wall are damaged. See, alveolar wall damage in emphysema, and alveolar wall, okay, become narrow in asthma. See, it is the main cause of emphysema is cigarette smoking, okay, and the alveolar wall damage in emphysema, okay, and the surface area decreases also. The main function of phloem is the translocation of food. Phloem means translocation of food. Phloem is related with translocation of food, and the transport in phloem is in bidirectional. BOD is directionally proportional to the amount of organic matter or organic waste. More is the organic waste, more is the oxygen required to decompose them, and more is the BOD. So it is correct. Directly proportional to dissolve oxygen. No. If BOD is high, then bacteria utilize the oxygen more, and the amount of dissolved oxygen will be less. So BOD is inversely proportional to BOD is inversely proportional to DO, and the 4 C is correct according to our question. Okay, inversely proportional to the amount of dissolved oxygen. Yes, so A and C is correct answer. A and C is correct. Okay. A transgenic crop which may be a transgenic crop which may help in resolving the problem of night blindness is in developing countries is, okay, golden rice. Golden rice has a gene of vitamin A which is responsible for formation of retinal, and then that is for curing of night blindness. So this is our required answer. A plant cell that has a potential to develop into a full plant is called as totipotency. Okay, any plant that is known as explant can form a complete plant, and this condition is, or this tendency is known as totipotency. The generative cell is destroyed by laser, but a normal pollen tube is still formed. This is because generative cell is responsible for formation of male gamete, and the vegetative cell which are necessary for the formation of pollen tube. See, if we destroy the generative cell and the vegetative cell is not destroyed, then the pollen tube can form. So the correct reason for this is that vegetative cell has not destroyed or not damaged. The frequency of recessive allele in a population is 0.2. The number of heterozygous in a population of 500 individuals is, see, we have to find the number of heterozygous, that is 2pq. We have to find 2pq. 2 into pp. We have a recessive 0.2, so dominant will be 0.8. Okay, that equals 2 to the 4, 4 8 ja 32. Okay, 2 to the 4 and 8 4 ja 24. Sorry, 2 to the 4 and 8 4 ja 32. 32 by 100. 32 by 100 into 500. So this goes this. Okay, 5 digit 0, 1 carry, 5 3 15 and 1 16. 116 individual with heterozygous condition or heterozygote. What is the correct about self-incompatibility? Correct about self-incompatibility. It is due to non-synchronization of pollen release and stigma receptivity, and it is not an example of self-incompatibility. It is an example of dichogamy. Okay, the dichogamy means both different, both differentiate, means the male and the female part differentiate or mature at different time. That is the adaptation for cross pollination. It is not self incompatibility. So this is our not required answer. It is genetic mechanism. Yes, self incompatibility means, okay, destroying the non-self one, and destroying the so self incompatibility means destroying the self one to increase the heterozygosity or to promote variation. So it is the correct answer. And it is seen only in unisexual flower. No, it is seen in bisexual flower and not in unisexual flower. Okay, it is due to an anther and stigma are placed at different level. No, it is this condition is known as heterostyly and not in self incompatibility. So B is our correct answer. In the given diagram of areolar connective tissue, identify part A to D. See, A is macrophage. A is macrophage because it is irregular shaped. Okay, it has a it's so amibodal movement. So A is macrophage. A is macrophage. That is modified monocyte. So we have eliminated A and D. 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 So our correct answer can be B and C. And then B is macrophage because, sorry, B is mast cell because okay, it secrete what, serotonin, histamine and heparin. B is mast cell. Okay, and C is fibroblast, that is fiber secreting cell. C is fibroblast, and D is the collagen fiber. So our correct answer would be this option B. What is true about ribosome? The prokaryotic ribosome are ATS. No, the prokaryotic ribosome are of 70S type. This is a composed, okay, these are composed of ribonucleic acid and protein. Yes, it is absolutely correct. These are found only in eukaryote. No, these are found both in prokaryote and eukaryote. So it is incorrect. This are self-splicing intron of some RNA. No, these are not self-splicing. So we have B, which is correct. What, okay, which of the following is a Pribnow box? Pribnow box, okay, it is found in prokaryote. See, P से P मिला answer पाओ, P से P मिला answer पाओ. Pribnow box is found in prokaryote. Okay, the sequence is of 6 base pair sequence from 5' to 3', that is TATA, Tata AT is the sequence of Pribnow box. Tata AT, that is the first option. Every 100 ml of deoxygenated blood deliver approximately 4 ml of CO2 to the alveoli, because they had taken CO2 from the tissue and they deliver this CO2 to the alveoli for expiration. Choose the correct statement. Vasa recta is well developed in cortical nephron. No, vasa recta are ill developed or non developed in cortical nephron, and the most of the nephron in our body, that is about 80 to 85% of the nephron are cortical nephron, that does not play any important role in concentration of urine. PCT and DCT are situated in the medulla of kidney. No, these are situated in the cortical region. Okay, the glomerulus enclose the Bowman's capsule. No, the Bowman's capsule enclose the glomerulus and not the glomerulus enclose the Bowman's capsule. So it is incorrect. The ascending limb of Henle, ascending is permeable to, okay, sorry, it permeable to NaCl and it extend to DCT. Yes, it is absolutely correct. It is absolutely correct. The chemical released by penicillin notatum inhibit the growth of which microbe? Okay, Streptococcus. Okay, Staphylococcus. Yes, Alexander Fleming has noticed that the growing of, okay, penicillin notatum has inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus in an unwashed petri dish. Okay. The bacterial cell divide in every minute. If it take 1 hour to fill up the cup, okay, and then how much time will take to half fill the cup? Half fill. It takes 59 minutes because they divide in 1 minute. If half the cup divide, then it become full in 1 minute. So if half cup will fill in 59 minutes, and then how 1 minute it completely fill the cup. The breeding of the unrelated individual, okay, the breeding of unrelated animal which may be between individual of the same breed but having no common ancestor. See, we have talked about same breed. See, we have two types of breeding: inbreeding and outbreeding. In outbreeding, we have taken the first one, that is out crossing, and then from out crossing we have taken the last one, that is crossing, then cross breeding. Okay, the first thing is outcrossing, and in outcrossing and inbreeding we have the same breed, okay, but in outcrossing we've made the individual which are not related. Okay, in outcrossing we breed the animals of the same breed but of the which does not resemble itself for 4 to 6 generation, which does not have a common ancestor for 4 to 6 generations. So we have the correct action, which is outcrossing. Flower are zygomorphic in Indigofera, okay, which belongs to family Fabaceae or Papilionaceae. Papilionati, that is the first subfamily of family Leguminosae. Both the lobes of the thyroid gland are interconnected by a isthmus, which is a connective tissue and which is thin, very important, thin. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the fetal development in human? By the end of the first month, okay, pregnancy, the fetus develop limbs and digit. Limbs and digit develop in second month and not in the first month, so this is incorrect. Okay, by the end of 12 week it is second trimester. No, 12/4 it is first trimester and not second trimester, because 1 month contain 4 weeks, so it is third trimester. So it is 3 month, that is first trimester, so it is incorrect. The first movement of fetus and appearance of hair on the head is usually observed in the 5th month. Yes, first movement is observed in 5th month. So this is our required answer. And that's let's read about next option. By the end of 26 week, okay, that is second trimester. 26/4 it is not second trimester because it is about 6 point something, but it is not second trimester. Second trimester means 6 month. Okay, the body is covered with fine hair, eyelids separate and eyelashes are formed. So this is not correct. C is correct. We have exact second trimester means exactly 6 into 4, that is 24 weeks and not 26 weeks. Desert plant are succulents. They are succulent xerophyte. Succulent means the stomata are present inside deep inside where they are present very deep. Ideal cloning vector should have restriction site, yes. A selectable marker, yes. Origin of replication, yes. They should have all of this. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Recombinant DNA formed by joining of segment of DNA from different sources. It is correct. We have to find not correct. Purine, nitrogenous base, that is cytosine, thymine, and uracil growth. Because purine, आग लगाओ तो पूरा लगाओ, आग means Ag, that is arginine and guanine include purine, so it is incorrect and it is the required answer. ATP, principal energy carrying compound in the cell, it is correct. RNA molecule found in the ribosome, yes, it is correct. So B is incorrect and it is the required answer. Wine is prepared by fermentation of grape juice by Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is brewers or breakers yeast. Synapsid evolved around, okay, they evolved around 300 million year ago, and synapsid, that is SP था मीन सोनू पटेल था अब लापता हो गया है देखते देखते. ये SP से हो जाएगा अपने पास सिनैप्सिड हो जाएगा, ये सिनैप्सिड. P से हो जाएगा पेलिकोसॉरस, P से क्या हो जाएगा पेलिकोसॉरस. एंड T थेरैप्सिड से क्या हो जाएगा TH थेरैप्सिड. ओके, सो सिनैप्सिड गिव राइज टू पेलिकोसॉरस एंड पेलिकोसॉरस गिव राइज टू थेरैप्सिड. एंड सिनैप्सिड, ओके, occur about or evolved around 300 million year ago. So this is our required answer. Which of the following pigment is purplish red and contain vitamin derivatives? This rhodopsin, which contain vitamin A, and it is purplish red. Bast fiber are made of sclerenchyma. Okay. Which of the following does not happen during embryogenesis? Cell multiply, cell differentiate, equational division occur, but not additional division, because additional division occur only during the formation of gamete and not during embryogenesis. All the following statements are correct except interface is too short in the size saccharide. It is incorrect. We want incorrect statement. Except means we want incorrect statement and interface is not short. It is 95% of the total cell cycle. 95% of total cell cycle. So it is long. So it is our required answer. It is incorrect. Yeah, it is absolutely incorrect. The following statement are given about different plant growth hormone. Cytokinin suppress the synthesis of chlorophyll. Okay. No. So we have to find the correct. It does not inhibit or suppress the synthesis of chlorophyll. Auxin control apical dominance. Yes, it is the control apical dominance. It is correct. Gibberellin promote tooth elongation. Yes, it help in bolting prior to flowering. Okay. Abscisic acid involves C2 with stent desiccation. Yes, they help. That is why that is also known as stress hormone. hormone because it help to prevent or withstand desiccation. So we have 2, 3rd and 4th which is correct. 2, 3rd and 4th which is correct, and this question is asking what is the correct statement. Correct, 2, 3rd and 4th is correct. Which of the following will decay faster? Sapwood, softwood, wood with lot of fiber, hardwood. See, hardwood does not decay faster because it is resistant to chemicals. Okay, due to decomposition of rennin, tannin gums. Okay, aromatic compounds. So it is not our required answer. And wood with lot of fiber, no discrete chimetas, and discrete chimetas are resistant to microbial action. And softwood, this is wood, so it is also a type of secondary xylem. So this that tissue is clay and chyma. But sapwood is conducting part, it is living tissue, so it can be degraded faster. The high density of tiger population in area can result in intra means within specific. Okay, intra specific matlab within the same species competition. Okay. Choose the option which rightly labeled A, B, C and D in the figure given. A is antigen binding site. Antigen binding site or antigen determinant is known as epitope, and antigen binding site is called as paratope. Antigen binding site is called as paratope. So this is paratope. And B is light chain. Yes, B is light chain. And C is heavy chain. Yes, C is heavy chain. And D is disulfide bond. Yes, so C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. In the electron transport system, a molecule of ATP is formed when electron passes from B to C1, that is cytochrome B. When electron passes from cytochrome B to cytochrome C1, then that is complex number 3, then the ATP is synthesized. Okay, 2H plus is transferred from the inner membranous intermitochondrial space to the matrix, and that result in synthesis of ATP. In the wall of alimentary canal, what is the actual sequence of layer from outside to inside? See, outer serosa layer and then outer longitudinal muscle. हर लंबी चीजें बाहर होती है, तो outer longitudinal and inner circular, and then submucosa, and the innermost layer is mucosa. So this is the required answer. Serosa is the outermost layer, and then outer longitudinal muscle and inner circular muscle, and then submucosa and submucosa. Duodenum contain Brunner's gland which have non-alkaline enzymatic secretion. Okay, in elution, separated band of DNA are cut off from agarose gel and extracted from the gel piece. Okay, it is absolutely correct. E. coli cloning vector PBR322 have several restrictions site ORI, antibiotic resistant gene and ROP. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Downstream processing and quality control testing vary from product to product. Yes. Okay, component bacteria cell cannot take up DNA, cannot take up plasmid. No. Okay, competent means they are able to take up plasmid. And okay, so D is the incorrect. D is incorrect, and only D is incorrect. Which of the following statement is false? We want false statement. Aqueous humor leaks out by canal of Salim into the blood capillaries and again reach up to their vein. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Aqueous humor, which is found in the outer part. Here vitreous humor is seen, and in age aqueous humor. Okay, and this is, so it is correct. A transparent biconvex lens is present just after iris. Yes, this is lens and this is separated by ligaments. Okay, that is known as suspensory ligament, and in front of this ligament we have iris. That is the correct portion of eye, so this is also correct. Iris divide the vitreous chamber into two part. Okay, anterior. Okay, vitreous chamber, no, it divides the aqueous chamber. The front chamber is known as aqueous chamber. This front chamber is called as aqueous chamber, and aqueous chamber is divided by iris into two, anterior part and posterior part, and not the vitreous chamber. So it is incorrect, and the required answer, we want false statement. Okay, aqueous humor and vitreous humor both are the fluid that is secreted by the ciliary body. Yes, the ciliary body contains some gland which secrete aqueous humor, which is in front of the lens, and vitreous humor which is in back side of the lens. So it is correct. During ventricular systole, during ventricular system we have the heart like this. Okay, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, left atrium, left ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Okay, right atrium, left ventricle, left atrium. Okay, left ventricle. So the right atrium, the right ventricle pump the blood to the lungs. That in the in pulmonary artery, that is anything away from the heart is known as artery. So pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. But the pulmonary vein, but the aorta, which is pumping deoxygenated blood, which is pumping the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. That is we want during ventricular systole, oxygenated blood is pumped into the aorta and deoxygenated blood is pumped into the pulmonary vein. Yes, it is correct. Which of the following is correct regarding glycolysis? Glycolysis occur in, we want correct, and it occur in cytoplasm. Yes, first is correct. So let's move on. Okay, which of the following statement is correct about secondary succession? C. Secondary succession occur in deforested area. It is the correct answer. And it begin in bare rock. No. It is present at that area where soil is already present. Means pedogenesis does not require, and it is faster than the primary succession. During ionic flux, uptake of ion into the inner space is active. It is active, and active means energy dependent. So we have both active and energy dependent process. So D is correct. Which of the following factor play a role in primary productivity? Which of the following factor play an important role in primary productivity? Light, temperature, yes. Water, nutrient, yes. Photosynthetic capacity of producer, yes. All of these play an important role in primary productivity. Which of the following hormone passes through root B? Okay, root B means posterior pituitary, and posterior pituitary secrete two hormone, that is oxytocin, also known as pitocin, and ADH, that is also known as vasopressin. Find out the wrong statement regarding cycas. It has unbranched stem, yes. It has pinnately compound leaf, yes, because it is there's so xerophytic adaptation, and it is dioecious, yes. Markensia cycas dioecious, Magdica burger. Mycasia cycas dioecious, Markensia cycas dioecious. So it is dioecious, and it is not archegonial. No, it is an archegonial plant because bryophyte, rhodophyte, and gymnosperm are archegoniate, and this is not. It is incorrect, and this is the required answer. Variable number tandem repeat, that is VNTR, not VTNR. So here is a printing mistake. In which DNA molecule is highly useful? Okay, bilkul. So VNTR, that is known as mini satellite. Okay, and this mini satellite are used in DNA fingerprinting, which show polymorphism in number. Parturition is induced by a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. According to NCERT, it is a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. The signal for parturition originate from a fully developed fetus as well as the placenta. Both. All the following involve osmosis except. Okay, except means which does not involve osmosis. Water entering from soil to root, it involves osmosis, so it is not the answer, and it is correct. And water passing from root hair to adjacent cell, it also involves osmosis, so it is correct, and it is not our answer. Water movement into the xylem vessel. Okay, see, xylem to xylem elements. If water move from xylem to xylem element by transpiration pool and not by osmosis, so it is incorrect, and it is a required answer. Water enter mesophyll cell from xylem vessel is element. Okay, it is an example of osmosis, so it is not a required answer. So C is the answer to this question. Which fungi feed on dead organic matter? They are known as, when fungi feed on dead organic matter, they are known as saprophytes. State whether the following statements are true or false and choose the accurate option. Abortion could happen spontaneously. Yes, it is correct. Abortion can occur spontaneously. So it is an important line. Okay, it is an important question from NCERT exercise. It is present in NCERT exercise. So it is an important question. Okay, and infertility is the inability to produce viable offspring due to defect in the female partner only. No. It can be both from female and male partner. So it is incorrect. Complete lactation can help in contraception. Yes, bilkul. In the time of lactation, the high level of prolactin, that is dopamine inhibitory factor, PRL, which inhibit FSH and LH. So it is correct. Creating awareness can help create a reproductively healthy society. Yes, it is correct. So correct, incorrect, correct. Okay, means true, false, true. True, false, true. This is our required answer. Which of the following type of gynoecium is associated with wind pollination? See, wind pollination flower have large and feathery stigma. Okay, large and feathery stigma. This is feathery stigma, means it has feathers. Feathers means birds, punk. Birds के है punk. Okay. Reduction in the quantity of oxygen evolution during photosynthesis may be observed at, see, it is question is asking about red dot phenomena. Red dot phenomena means we will put more light or more wavelength more than 680, then only PS1 works and PS2 does not work, and if PS2 does not work and PS2 does not work, then oxygen releasing does not occur, because okay, PS2 is involved with photolysis of water. Read the following. Read the given statement with respect to three important step of decomposition. Okay, read the below statement with respect to three important step of decomposition, that is fragmentation, leaching, and catabolism. Select the correct option. Detritivore, that is earthworm, break down detritus into smaller particle. Yes. It is correct, and we have to match with the. Okay, this is known as fragmentation. This process is known as fragmentation. Okay, detritus small particle means we are converting them into fragment, and the converting them into fragment is known as fragmentation. So one with fragmentation is one. So this is our required answer. C is our required answer. Let's talk about next statement. Water soluble inorganic nutrient go down into the soil erosion and get precipitated as unavailable salt. This process is leaching. So A is leaching with 2. So this is our answer. And decomposition means छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल में और तोड़ दिए. Catabolism means microscopic level में, means microspores. Okay, means microorganisms like bacteria and fungi secrete digestive enzyme and degrade the detritus into smaller inorganic substance is known as catabolism. It is known as catabolism. So C is matched with 3. The correct statement about the working of oral pills. See, oral pills are nothing but they're like progesterone or estrogen progesterone combination. Means okay, they are administered by the female itself only, not for the males. They are made for female and not for the males. So it does not inhibit spermatogenesis. So it is not our answer. Inhibit ovulation and implantation. Yes, it inhibit ovulation because if the blood estrogen or progesterone level increases, then okay, negative feedback goes to the anterior pituitary. That means FSH and LH growth secretion is retarded. Okay, so this is correct. Alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent or retard the entry of sperm. Yes, it is also correct. So we have 1 and 2 which is correct, and we want correct statement. Species diversity generally increase as one proceed from high to low. Species diversity increases only when we proceed from high to low, and it doesn't matter where it is, high altitude or high latitude. If we proceed from high latitude to high altitude, then species diversity will increase, and if we proceed from high altitude to low latitude, high latitude to low latitude, then species diversity both will also increase. High to low. So this is our required answer. What is altitude? Altitude is height, and latitude means the distance from equator. Altitude means height, and latitude means the distance from the equator. Latitude means distance from equator. Okay. In tissue culture experiment of tobacco callus, it was seen that when a culture medium contained 2 ppm of IAA, that is auxin, and 2 ppm of kinetine, that is cytokinin, an undifferentiated mass of callus is produced. If the ratio of kinetine to IAA is increased, means kinetine means cytokinin upon insulin is increased, then if the ratio of cytokinin upon insulin is increased, then cytokinin is responsible for soot production, so soot initiation would occur. In human being, the color of skin is controlled by polygenic effect, that is when one cut is affected by more than one gene. So 3 genes are responsible for controlling this human skin color, and the ratio comes out to be 1:6:15:20:15:15:20 15:6:1. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, given below is a diagrammatic representation of the sarcomere. Mark the option with correct description of the structure labeled as A, B, C, D in the same. Okay, A is nothing but A is Z line. A is Z line, which is elastic fiber that binds with bisect the I band. It is correct. Okay, and B, what is B? B. This is A band. This is A band. Width of this band reduced during muscle contraction. No, A band means where only myosin are present. So the distance it doesn't matter where actin are present or not. And A band does not change its length. A band remain constant during muscle contraction. So this is incorrect. B consists of myosin filament. B. Yes, B means a band which consists of myosin filament. So it is correct. And width of this band remain the same during muscle contraction. Yes, width of this band remain the same during muscle contraction. Yes, it is correct. So we have to find the correct. Okay, C is light band that contain actin filament. Yes, C is the light band which contain actin filament. And D does not exist when sarcomere get maximally contracted. What is C? What is C? C is bit dimension. Okay, sorry. C means in I band. C means I band. C means I band. So in I band get reduced during muscle contraction. So this is not required answer. Okay, C is the required answer because does not exist means D, which is D. D is H zone. D is H zone. Okay, where okay only myosin is present, so during muscle contraction the sarcomere contract and the H band disappear, and that is our required answer. Okay, does not exist when sarcomere get contract maximally, so this is the required answer. H zone is seen. D is H zone. D is H zone. D is H zone seen in maximum contracted muscle fiber. No, it is absent in maximum contracted muscle fiber, so this C is our required answer. A nematode Myridogyne incognitia infect the root of tobacco plant and cause a great reduction in yield. Okay, a novel strategy was adapted to prevent this infestation, which is based on RNA, that is RNA interference technique, is also known as mRNA silencing. Okay, by making double stranded DNA, that is also known as antisense RNA technology. So all of the following are correct. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Okay, ginger, no, sucker. Ginger is an example of rhizome and not sucker. Okay, it is a modification of stem. Okay, Chlamydomonas, okay, we cannot see Conidian Chlamydomonas, so juice spores, which are motile asexual spores. Okay, yeast we does not see juice spore in yeast reproduced by budding. And onion, yes, bulb means juicy. Okay, bulb, okay, that is a stem modification, and onion, it is correct. Transgenic crop are modified though genetic engineering to develop natural resistance, okay, to insect pest. Okay, which of this pair consist of transgenic crops? So BT means not, it is BT means biotechnology. No, it means Bacillus thuringiensis. So this is our required answer because BT means Bacillus thuringiensis. It is something related with Bacillus thuringiensis, and something that is related with Bacillus thuringiensis must be involved in genetic transgenic crop. Okay, so this is our required answer. Given below is a list of various disease. Or disorder. Okay, which of the following represent the hereditary disease? We have to find the hereditary disease. Yes, phenylketonuria is a hereditary disease, that is autosomal recessive disease. Grape disease is due to, it is an exophthalmic goiter. Okay, it is due to hyperthyroidism, and so it is not an hereditary disease. Okay, it is thalassemia is a hereditary disease. Yes, and rheumatoid arthritis is not an hereditary disease. It is an autosomal. So it is an autoimmune disease, so it is not an answer. And myasthenia gravis is also an autoimmune disease where antibody are formed against the acetylcholine receptors present on the postsynaptic neuron. And blindness is a hereditary disease, and blindness is not a hereditary disease. See, we have only three which is hereditary, that is A and C and F. This is the correct answer. Which of the following set of coenzyme are nucleotide? Okay, which of the following set of coenzyme are nucleotide of vitamin niacin? So NAD and NADP are the vitamin of, okay, these are the nucleotide of vitamin niacin. NAD and NADP are the vitamin of, these are the nucleotide of vitamin niacin. The classification of organism based on chromosome number is called as cytotaxonomy. The classification of organism based on chromosome number is known as cytotaxonomy. So, okay, what is cytotaxonomy? If we study the number, structure, and behavior of chromosome, then this is known as cytotaxonomy. So, this is our required answer. Biological oxygen demand is the measure of industrial waste poured into water. No. Extent which water is polluted with organic compound. Yes. And amount of carbon monoxide inseparable combined with hemoglobin. No. Amount of oxygen needed by the green plant. No. By the bacteria. So it is B, which is correct. B is the correct answer. Which of the following is commonly which of the following statement is correct about smack? Water crack means coca alkaloid, and coca alkaloid, okay, it interfere with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. Yes, it produce sense of euphoria. Yes, means stimulus without what is euphoria? Euphoria means sense without stimulus. Without stimulus we sense something that it is present at the place. No, but actually it is not present at that place. Okay, and लाइक भूत दिखता है ना, भूत दिखा, किसी ने भूत देखा, भूत नहीं था, वो उसको प्रतीत हुआ. इट इज इफॉर्बिया, इट इज नथिंग बट इफॉर्बिया. ओके, एक्सेसिव डोसेज कॉज ह्यूलिसिनेशन. यस, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. सो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. It has been found in many cells that ribosome occur in chain along mRNA molecule. Which what is the advantage of this arrangement as compared to situation in which ribosome occurs singly? See, it if many ribosomes are attached to a single mRNA, if many ribosomes are attached to single mRNA, then many tRNA can bind with this ribosome, and if many tRNA can bind with this ribosome, then protein synthesis or polypeptide can produce more easily. So this B is the correct answer. NADP plus is reduced to NADPH in. See, it is reduced in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, also known as Z scheme. Which type of white blood cell are connected with the release of histamine? Okay, histamine and natural anticoagulant, that is heparin. Basophil, that is also known as mast cell, are responsible for release of serotonin, histamine, and heparin. Okay, this is correct. The macronutrient which is essential component of cell organic compound yet not obtained by the plant from soil. See, it is very important, not obtained from the soil. So anything which is not obtained from soil, magnesium is obtained from the soil, phosphorus is obtained from the soil, nitrogen is obtained from the soil, and nitrogen is obtained from the soil in the form of nitrate or nitrite. So carbon is taken only from the CO environment, it is not taken from the soil. So this is the required answer. Water potential in the leaf is positive during low transpiration, means if transpiration is low, it means lot of water is present, means humidity is very high in environment. So OP is positive and we have positive water potential. That living compound, the living component of phloem tissue is sieve tubes. Yes, they are living. Companion cell, they are living. Bast parenchyma is always living, so all of these are living. Okay. Taxonomy refers to classification, nomenclature, and affinity. What is affinity means? Affinity means identification. New term for affinity means new term for identification is affinity. So all of this taxonomy include classification, nomenclature, and identification. All of this. Which of the following is most abundant protein on in animal? And animal collagen is the most abundant protein, but most abundant protein in biosphere is rubisco, and most abundant protein on animal kingdom is collagen, and in plant kingdom it is rubisco. Which select the wrong statement from the following? Chloroplast and mitochondria have internal compartment bound by thylakoid membrane. No, thylakoid membrane is only found in chloroplast, it is not found in both. Okay, so it is our required answer, which is incorrect. So let's read our other options. Okay, both chloroplast and mitochondria contain DNA. Yes. Double stranded DNA. Okay, circular DNA. Yes. 70s DNA. Yes. Okay, the chloroplasts are generally much larger than mitochondria. Yes, chloroplasts are much larger because we want more food synthesis. We want more food synthesis than their utilization, that's why it is correct. The both chloroplast and mitochondria contain an inner and outer membrane. Yes, it is also correct. So we have A, which is incorrect, and as required answer. The nephridia of earthworm are concerned with excretion of nitrogenous waste. Nephridia are also called as flame cell. Nephridia, these are not known as flame cell. Protonephridia are known as flame cell, which are found in platyhelminthes, and they are involved in excretion. Primary root and its branch constitute the taproot system. Primary root and its branch. Primary root means the root that comes or that appear early in the life of the plant, that is known as primary root, and it forms the taproot system. Okay. Bhang and ganja are extract of hemp. Yes, hemp plant, that is Cannabis sativa. They are extract from the hemp plant, that is Cannabis sativa. The different concentration of this active substance, that is called as cannabinoid, which is obtained from Cannabis sativa, can be used for formation of bhang, ganja, charas, hashish. Okay, that is in the line of NCERT. Okay, ripe poppy fruit. Okay, it is related with norphine, not with ganja and bhang. Dried leaf, flower, and bud of Cannabis indica plant. No. First is the correct answer. Which of the following are common freshwater fish? Okay, so mackerel is and marine fish. Rohu, common carp, and katla, these are freshwater fish. Hillside and sardine are marine water, so this is not a correct answer. Okay, we have rohu, katla, and common carp, which are freshwater fish. They are saying B, width of this band reduced during muscle contraction. No, B is A band, and A band does not A band, the length of A band does not reduce during muscle contraction. So in this question there is correction. Answer correction means we have C, which is correct answer, and they have given the A, which is the correct. So it is the correction in this question. So C is the correct answer.